last song, and then this next one's the encore. We don't like doing encores because we're gonna go out and we're gonna kick it and where are we going again? I think it's called Story Time. Where's our friends? Is it called Story Time? Is that the name of the bar around here? Storyville? Okay, Storyville, yeah, I'm sorry we're not from here. But last night we went there, and they were about to close, and they gave us all drinks, and that was really nice of them. But they didn't have to do that, so come out there and hang out after the show. This is our last song, and we hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for coming out and partying with us here tonight in Melbourne, and we hope to come back and see you again real soon. And even better to others, and we sincerely hope that you choose us again.